So in the previous class we discussed about the what first lesson we discussed. Okay. In the first lesson what we have discussed cell organelles we have discussed. We have discussed about the cell organelles. In the first lesson we are discussing about the cell structure and function. Cell structure and function. We have discussed about the cell structure and function. We have discussed. What is the meaning of cell theory? We have discussed. Cell theory we have discussed. Cell theory we have discussed in the previous class. So plants and animals are made with cells only. Plants and animals are made with the cells. Those things we have discussed. Okay. So next today's topic is plant tissues. 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 Yes or no? Plant tissues. What is the meaning of tissue? What is the meaning of tissue? Tissue. What is the meaning of tissue? It's very important. What is the meaning of tissue? Tissue. Tissue paper. You know that name. Tissue paper. What is the meaning of tissue? A group of cells. Tissue is nothing but a group of cells. A group of cells with similar structure and function. Similar structure and function. See, a group of cells with similar structure and function is called tissue. So the plants and animals both are made by tissues. Plants and animals are both made by tissues. Plants and animals both are made by tissues. So tissue is nothing but a group of cells with similar structure and function. So that is called a tissue. Now today we are discussing about the plants. We are discussing about the plant. What is the meaning of plant? A plant is an organism. It is an organism. Okay? It is an organism. It will produce an organism that produces its own food. So an organism will produce its own food. Okay? With the help of photosynthesis. With the help of photosynthesis, the organism produce their own food. They are in mostly green color. They are in mostly which color? Green color. Mostly green color. They are mostly in green color. Listen. They are in mostly which color? Green in color. They are mostly in which color? Green in color. If you see outside plants, all are green color. Okay. Now this is about the plant, tissue and the plant. So now parts of the plant we'll see one by one. We'll see the parts of the plant. Now we'll see the parts of the plant. Okay. Now we'll see the parts of the plant. Parts of the plant. How many parts are there? Okay. Now we'll see the parts of the plant. Okay. Parts of the plant. So generally, how many parts are there? We can see roots. Now we can see the roots. We can see the roots, yes or not? Next we can see stem also. Now we can see stem also. We can see stem. Stem we can see now. And we can see branches also. We can see branches. We can see branches. Yes, sir. We can see branches. And we can see leaves also. Leaves. Yes, sir. We can see leaves. And after that we can see flowers also. Flowers. We can see flowers also. We can see flowers also. Flowers also we can see. Generally, okay, leaves are green color. Leaves are green color. Okay, leaves are green color. Okay, we can see leaves are green color. Leaves are green color. Stem, okay, we can see stem is brown color. Stem is somewhat brown color. You can see brown color. Stem and the branches are. Stem and branches are which color? Stem and branches are which color? They are in brown color. And we can see leaves are pink. Okay, they are in pink color. Otherwise, different colors will be there. Not only that, we can see fruits also. We can see fruits also. We can see fruits. So these are actually parts of the plant. These are the parts of the plant. Listen. So this is the root. Root is a which color? Actually, it's a pink, brown, or white color. Okay. Now we can see white color. Okay. And lateral roots. So you can see lateral roots also. You can see lateral roots. Okay, lateral roots we can see. Okay. So these are the lateral roots we can see. Lateral roots we can see. This is the part of the plant. So this is actually, we can see these are the roots. These are roots. And this is stem. Roots, stem, and leaves and branches, fruit, and flower. So these are the parts of the plant. These are the parts of the plant. Okay. Plants, different parts of the plant. So roots are made by cells. Listen, roots are made by cells. So in this lesson we discuss about each part. In each part how the cells are arranged. Each part how the cells are arranged by cells. So parts of the plant, say roots are made with cells. Okay, and stem also made with cells, and branches also made with cells, and leaves also made with cells, and flowers also made with cells. Fruits also made with cells. Okay, children. So these are actually the plant will grow with the help of this. This is a meristem, apical meristem. It is a lateral meristem. So it is also lateral branches and main branches. Clear, children? So these are the lateral branches and the main branches. You can see. These are the lateral branches and main branches. You can see. Okay. Next, in this lesson, we discuss about in each part how the cells are arranged. In each part how the cells are arranged. How many type of tissues are there? How many type of tissues are arranged in a plant? How many type of tissues are there? What are how the tissues are arranged inside the plant? How the cells are arranged inside the? How the tissues are arranged inside the plant? Will see. Okay, so generally the plant is divided. The plant tissues is divided into 4 types. Plant tissues is divided into 4 types. First one is meristematic tissue. First tissue which is present in the plant is meristematic. Meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue. First tissue is meristematic tissue. Okay. Second one is first one is meristematic tissue. Second one is dermal tissue. Second one is dermal tissue. Second one is dermal tissue. The third one is ground tissue. Third one is ground tissue. The fourth one is last one is vascular tissue. The vascular tissue. Listen. So these are the four types of the tissues. These four types of tissues we can see. Four types of tissue: meristematic tissue, dermal tissue, ground tissue, and vascular tissue. These type of tissue, where they are addition. Meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues are present end of the stem. These are the end of the stems, means the starting portion of the stem. Okay, this end of the roots, okay, end of the lateral roots, okay, end of the root, end of the stem, end of the lateral roots. You can see which tissue? Meristematic tissue. These are the growing parts of the plant. Okay. Next is dermal tissue. Dermal tissue is nothing but these are the place one. All the one is the tissues. One. Okay. Why I am writing one here? The meristematic tissue. Why I am writing here one? That is meristematic tissue. Why I am writing one? That is meristematic tissue. One writing means that is meristematic tissue. Next we will say dermal tissue. Dermal tissue is nothing but the outermost layer of the plant. Outermost layer of the plant. Outermost layer of the plant. That is nothing but a second. It is called second. So outermost layer is called second, and this one is second. So outermost layer is called second, means dermal tissue. Ground tissue is there middle of the plant. That is number 3. That is ground tissue. Number 3, ground tissue. Middle one will be there, ground tissue. Middle of the stem, middle of the root. And even 4 also in the there only 4 also. The 4 will be there inside the stem and root. 4 also inside the stem and root. These 4 will be there. 4 also inside the stem and root. We can see a big plant. We can see a round structures will be there. If you go chicken or mutton shop, there is a round wood will be there. The middle layers will be there. Some round circles. They will cut the mutton and chicken. Inside, if you see the core, there is a round circles will be there. So those circles are nothing but the age of that plant. Okay. So here that is nothing but vascular tissues. Those are nothing but vascular tissues. Listen carefully. So the 4 and 3, these ground tissue and vascular tissues, they will support the plant. The first one lay, they will growing of the plant. They will help for the growing of the plant. The first meristematic tissues are used for the growing of the plant. And if you see the third and fourth, the ground tissues, the third and fourth ground and vascular tissues, they will help for the supporting of the plant. And second, if you see dermal tissue, our skin, how it is helpful to us? So the ground tissue, this is helpful for the external protection, like light, heat, rainfall, okay, humidity. So the external layer which will help the plant to protect, it will protect the plant. So it will help the plant, it will protect the plant. Okay. So if any cut is there, what happens? If any cut on the stem, again it will be cured by the help of meristematic tissues only. Okay. How when you cut means blood will come, and sometimes it will stop. After some days it will be cured. Again new skin will be formed. Same here also. So what happens? The plant's tissues also, meristematic tissues help to that will rejuvenate or that will be refilled by the help of meristematic tissues. So this is the main concept of this lesson. I will show a specimens of. I will show this is the root. We can see root of the. We can see root. Root of the plant, you can see. This is the root. Whitish color is there. See. Root. Okay. Next, this is the root. Root is also made with meristematic tissues, ground tissues, dermal tissues, and vascular tissues. Okay. Next, you can see another one is, this is the mushroom actually. Only some of the specimens are, you see mushrooms. Mushrooms also, it is a one fungus actually, plant. It is not a green color. It is a fungus. Fungus also plant, but it is saprophytic in nature. Okay, it will depend on another plants or animals, dyed plants and animals. Clear, children? It's clear. Okay. Now we can see this one. Okay, mushroom. Okay, these are the two plants examples. Just only to have with me. So this is actually plant tissues. So in that lesson, we'll study each one by doing experiments. We'll study each one by doing experiments. What the scientists are involved, like that we'll discuss. Okay. In animal tissues, next third lesson. For third lesson, we discuss some of the specimens are there. Okay. In third lesson also, so many tissues means the third lesson will explain about the chapter 3. Chapter 3 will explain about the what? Chapter 3 will explain about the animal tissues. Chapter 3 will explain about the animal. Already I told you, tissues means a group of cells with similar structure and function. Animals are nothing but they will depend on another organisms. Those are called animals. I will show some of the specimens are there. We can see this is a fish. You can see this is a fish. Fish will be living the water, aquatic animal. It will eat the what? Leaves of the plant. Small creatures and insects it will do. It won't prepare its own food. It's a fish. Okay, rahu fish. Okay, next this is actually snail. You can see. Okay, already you know this one. Okay, it is also animal. It will live in the fresh water or the salt water. So it will eat the. It will eat the what? It will eat. Okay, small plants. Next you can see another one is already one in that is silkworm. Silkworm is okay. You can see bird. Okay, it's okay insect. It will fly like a bird. It will fly like a bird. So it will lay the eggs. Without about that, they will prepare the silk. Okay. So the caterpillars will be there. They will eat the mulberry leaves and it will grow. Clear, children? Okay. It is actually insect. It is insect. It will depend on other plants. It will depend on the flowers. It will take the honey and it will take the pollen grains. Like that, it will eat the leaves of the plant. It will grow. You can see. Okay. So this is actually insect. Next you can see this is the tortoise. Okay, we can see actually it is a tortoise. You can see it is a tortoise. Just see the children, it is a tortoise. It will depend on other plants and animals. It will eat the small creatures. It will eat the leaves of the plant. Okay. So like that, so it will depend on the different organisms. So I will show and shown already animals and shown. We are also animals. Depend on other organisms. So animal tissues. So those are also made with tissues. In the next lesson I will explain. I will explain about the different tissues which are present in animals. But today's topic is plant tissues. Today's topic is plant tissues. Already nicely I got the diagram where the which tissues are there. I shown here. I shown here. Okay. So you can understand very easily. Okay, children. So roots. What is the roots contains meristematic tissue, ground tissue, dermal tissue, and vascular tissue. Even the stem also contains dermal tissue, ground tissue, vascular tissue and meristematic tissues. So these things you have to remember. The total lesson will explain this only. But in this lesson different experiments are there. With the help of that you can find the so where it is there. Okay. Now today's homework is so just learn the introduction of lesson. Means what I shown there on the board, just learning how to learn. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you very much and take care of yourself.